Howdy there, peoples. Sawyer Hess up here. I just recently flew this after the build or the rebuild, and I have stripped the main gear, as you can see. You rotate it around in flight. I stripped it in flight. I tell you what, this motor's got some torque, but that main gear ain't holding up. So everything else seems to be alright. Did some tuning on it, so still needs some more tuning, especially on the tail. Yeah, absolutely. Hopefully next time around we don't strip it. I'm thinking about, they have a heavy duty main gear that they use for the nitro, and I'm thinking about picking that up. So oof.